Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Number 1. Alleviate. Verb. To alleviate pain or suffering means to make it less intense or severe. Example: she needed something to alleviate the pain in her back.
Number 2. Astrology. Noun. Astrology is the study of stars in the belief that they influence people's lives. Example: Jack, who studies astrology, believes that the stars can predict the future.
Number 3. Differentiate. Verb. To differentiate things or people is to show the difference between them. Example: it was hard to differentiate between the identical twins.
Number 4. Disrupt. Verb. To disrupt something or someone is to prevent them from working. Example: the loud crash disrupted the class lecture.
Number 5. Equation. An equation is a math operation to determine the value of something. Example: I used the Einstein equation to solve the problem.
Number 6. Err. Verb. To err means to make a mistake. Example: the pilot erred in his estimate of the time it would take to make the trip.
Number 7. Erroneous. Adjective. When something is erroneous, it is incorrect or only partly correct. Example: the child held the erroneous belief that time machines were real.
Number 8. Frantic. Adjective. If people or things are frantic, they behave in a wild way because they are frightened. Example: the cat became frantic when I tried to give it a bath.
Number 9. Hull. Noun. The hull of a boat or tank is the main body of it. Example: after the wreck at sea, the ship's hull was the last part to sink.
Number 10. Inadvertent. Adjective. When an action is inadvertent, it is done without realizing what you are doing. Example: she made an inadvertent error when she knocked over the nail polish.
Number 11. Improvise. Verb. To improvise something is to do it with whatever is available or without planning. Example: there was no meat for the pizza, so we improvised with what was in the fridge.
Number 12. Latitude. Noun. The latitude of a place is its distance from the equator. Example: the device was able to tell the traveler his exact latitude.
Number 13. Mariner. Noun. A mariner is a sailor. Example: the old mariner used his telescope to find the shore.
Number 14. Multitude. Noun. A multitude of things or people is a very large number of them. Example: a multitude of people were waiting at the airport.
Number 15. Nuisance. Noun. A nuisance is a person or thing that is annoying or causes a lot of problems. Example: the teenager considered her noisy little brothers to be quite a nuisance.
Number 16. Permanence. Noun. The permanence of something is its ability to last forever. Example: poor results will threaten the permanence of the new teaching system.
Number 17. Revolve. Verb. To revolve around something is to keep it as the main feature or focus. Example: my life revolves around sports.
Number 18. Soothe. Verb. To soothe means to calm someone who is angry or upset. Example: the mother soothed her crying baby by rocking him in her arms.
Number 19. Stranded. Adjective. If someone is stranded, they are prevented from leaving a place. Example, when the plane left, my sister and I were stranded in China.
Number 20. Volatile. Adjective. When something is volatile, it is likely to change suddenly and unexpectedly. Example, the volatile volcano might explode at any moment.